Yes, I think we found it. A beautiful, classic design. The corrosion is quite severe here. We are looking at significant metal fatigue caused by the damp conditions of the cellar. The corrosion around this hinge mechanism is extensive. We must use the laser very carefully to stabilize the metal. We apply the induction heat directly to the seized nut, weakening the rust before we use the pneumatic wrench. The induction heater expands the metal just enough for the pneumatic wrench to engage. And there we have it, the first successful extraction from the assembly. We must be very precise here. The induction heater allows us to separate the seized components without causing further damage.
Look at this. After 80 years underwater, the chain is perfect. We can use this in the reconstruction.
This laser allows us to remove the corrosion layer by layer without damaging the underlying metal structure.
This is perfect. The corrosion is gone and the original surface is completely intact.
This laser scan will give us the precise geometry of the damaged saddle base before we begin reconstruction. We submerge the components into the heated alkaline salt solution until the desired jet black finish is achieved. The bluing process gives it this deep color. We must protect it now, especially after being submerged for so long. We use the torque wrench to ensure even tension across all the spokes. This is critical for the structural integrity of the wheel. The specialist meticulously calibrates the spoke tension, ensuring the restored wheel runs perfectly true, a critical step in aviation restoration. We use the torque wrench to ensure the tension is perfect before we test the cable pull. This canvas wrapping is original. We ensured the matte finish and blued steel accents were historically accurate. This bicycle is now preserved for the future. The folding mechanism must be secured before the final inspection of the drivetrain and brakes.
We finally did it. The restoration is complete and she is ready.
The numbers are clear now. This confirms the 1942 model year. Excellent work.
We have a perfect match on the specifications here. The restoration is complete.
We use the Allen key to precisely adjust the pitch. This ensures the structural integrity and the correct tension across the leather base.
Excellent, that is exactly how it should perform. Another piece ready for the assembly.
We use the original leather straps, ensuring they are tightly buckled. A firm tug confirms the fit, just as it would have been in the field.
This bluing process is original to the aircraft, so preservation is paramount. The wax provides a vital barrier against corrosion.
The lever response is crisp, and the clamping force is correct. This assembly is fully functional. After months of meticulous work, the restoration is complete. She is finally ready. And there we are. Perfect. It is these small details that define a true restoration. The chain alignment is finally perfect. We managed to keep most of the original gears, which is crucial for the historical record.
The rapid deployment hinge on the M300 required a specific tool for removal. Corrosion here is minimal, suggesting it was well maintained before the crash.
The handlebars must align perfectly before the strap is secured. This ensures the package is balanced for transport. We've restored the hinge mechanism here. Once the strap is undone, the frame swings freely and locks securely into place. The mechanism is fully functional. The tolerances are exactly where they need to be.
This wasn't just a restoration, it was an archaeological dig on 2 wheels. Now, she is ready to ride again.
We must ensure the bearings are perfectly smooth before reassembly. Good resonance. The structural integrity is confirmed. And here it is. After all this time, the original paintwork is finally revealed. It is beautiful. The gauge confirms the pressure is optimal. We can proceed with the installation. We are checking the alignment of the front wheel. Ensuring the tracking is perfect is crucial before we proceed with the paint analysis. This is much better. The tension is perfect now. Every artifact we recover, even small parts like this, requires meticulous cleaning before restoration can begin.
We are proud to present the restored Airborne bicycle, a true piece of history brought back to life.
The clasp releases easily, and the hinge alignment is now perfect, ensuring total structural integrity when deployed. The locking mechanism is secure now. We must ensure there is absolutely no play in the assembly before proceeding with a structural assessment.
And here it is, perfectly aligned. We ensured the structural integrity while preserving the original finish.
It is a privilege to bring this piece of history back to life. Every component tells a story of ingenuity and sacrifice. After months of work, she is finally ready for the next phase. What an achievement for the team.
There, solid as new. This one is ready for the museum floor.